Hey, what's everyone doing? I'm going to wait just a second here and see if anyone jumps on. This is the first time I've actually gone in and said, hey, I'm going live in 5 minutes because I thought, sometimes people just, they can't drop everything to watch live. So if you're watching live at any point and you jump on, give me a 1 in the comments. If you're catching the replay, give me a 2 in the comments, just so I can track how many people were actually able to catch it live. What I'm going to talk about really quick tonight, it's not going to be a long video at all. I remember that silly commercial about I think it's like an oven or something, and they say, set it and forget it. Well, we have some products that really kind of relate to that. Let me see if I can swish up on. Bear with me. I'm trying to get rid of comments so they don't go like over my face. I'll have to learn how to figure that out. Anyway, I want to talk about our primer spray and our setting sprays. And some people really don't know what they are or what you really use them for or what kind of benefits you get from them. So I'm going to go over that really fast and I'm going to teach you. Okay, what we have is a first base setting spray. Think of this as you put all your moisturizers on. If you use our Sotox or you use our One Drop Wonder or anybody's moisturizers, you put those on, you let them soak into your face for a little bit. Just let them penetrate and moisturize your skin. Go start drying your hair or something while you're just waiting. Once it's kind of set for a while, use about 3 squirts of this. Just shake it a little bit. And these actually now come in a real small, I think it's a 2-ounce travel size as well. These are 4 ounce. So we have a 2 ounce. It's half this. So you can travel with it. So that's really neat. You'll find that on the website as well. But our primer spray, you put, actually it really just says do an X across your face. I kind of do 1, 2, 3 across my face. Let that dry. What this does is it's kind of like you're preparing your canvas for the makeup. It's kind of like your makeup is only as good as your skin and the quality of skin that's underneath. Of course, that's why it's important, really. I mean, so important to moisturize properly. But on top of that, to basically do this primer, and there's a picture I've posted in the past, and I'll see if I can find it and to put it in the comments, of like an orange. You know how an orange is kind of like dimpled a little bit on the exterior, the rind? Well, if you were to, someone tested it and sprayed half of it with our primer spray and the other half not, and then they took a blender full and they put our foundation on both sides. And our foundation looks so much smoother and more flawless on the side that was primed first, because it fills in all your larger pores if you have them, or maybe you just have differences. Some people have larger pores in here. It evens it all out, and it's like it prepares your skin for all the makeup that you're going to put on. From just, even if you're putting on a light foundation and a little blush and mascara, from that to an evening look, you need a primer. So this is our first base primer. Then what we have are 2 setting sprays, and that's where I said set it and forget it. Can you see my makeup on right now? I mean, I know sometimes the light might be a little too bright. And by the way, I am wearing one of the newer shades. It's called Buried, like it's as in berries, like you eat berries, but Buried Treasure. Can you see that color? I like it. It's a deep red, but it has a little shade of a rosy pink shade to it. It's not pure red. What do you think? Comment below. Tell me if you like it. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I like it. I really like it. But see my makeup? Now, this is it for work. Can you see my eyeshadow? My eyeliner that's on. You can still see I've got, you know, I don't go heavy on makeup, but, you know, I do a, some bronzer in here, a little blush up here. I haven't touched it, and I put it on at 7 o'clock. It is 10 till 7, so it's been on close to 12 hours, and I have not done one single thing cross my heart. I use a setting spray, this magical thing. Now, we have two, and actually if you buy the primer, the first base, and a setting spray, you can pick between the two setting sprays, and you can get a little reduced cost there. Always look, because we have a little tab on my webpage, my website that has collections, and there's places where you can, anytime with Lime Life, if you create a collection, if it's offered, they save you. It's not just like $1 or $2. They save you. Like on more expensive things, it's like $10 you can save by combining products if it's offered that way. But we have what's called our 10 years younger. That is for more mature and drier skin, average to dry skin. You spray, again, cross or a 1, 2, 3. It sets all your makeup. Now, I like to put my setting spray on prior to putting my eyeliner and my mascara on. I just do. It keeps everything in place. It actually will keep your makeup in place for up to 16 hours. Yes, I said 16 hours. The other one that we introduced, I think it was like last year, we introduced the Oil Strike. This is if you tend to get a little oily during the day. And I actually, even though I'm mature and my skin can be dry, but I have a combination skin, I still will get a little oiliness, not a lot, but a little. And I actually prefer Oil Strike, so it keeps your oiliness at a minimum, if that's a word, oiliness. Love these products. So you can pick the primer, and you can buy these all individually, and you can buy them in 2-ounce size for traveling. But we have the first base, and then you can pick one of these setting sprays. And again, it's shake, squirt, squirt. Let it dry, don't touch it. Finish your mascara and eyeliner and go. And you don't have to reapply. The only thing I reapply during the day is my lipstick. Ours stays on for a very long time, but I always like to reapply because I'm eating or I'm drinking and I'm using a straw, and it will come off after about 4 to 6 hours. So I usually reapply in the afternoon, but that's really all I wanted to share with you today. I'm watching the clock because Lexi and I have a date every Wednesday at 7 to watch World of Dance. Yay! Yes, she's a dancer, so I love watching her dance, and I can appreciate like talent when I see it. If I'm not that great at evaluating talent, but we love that show. We love that show. Of course, our hearts were broken when, is it Eva Longoria? I want to say Longoria. What's her name? You know the one I'm talking about. The girl that came in second place last year. She's like 14 years old. She was like unbelievably flexible. Anyway, she lost her challenge on the first, I think the first time of challenges she lost, or maybe it was in the second show, but that we were so sad to see her go. But anyway, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm going to put in, as soon as I upload this, I'm going to put in that picture of like that orange. I think it's an orange or it's a lime or something that's kind of dimpled outside, and it'll show you the difference with and without using a primer spray. And the setting sprays just keep your makeup in place all day long. I mean, it's fabulous. You don't have to update or touch up your makeup at all. So that's all I really wanted to share tonight. Hope that helps some of you with what these products are all about. And thanks for tuning in. Good night.